This video shows how to draw the faceplate of the clock. First, we need to create a profile and start with a sketch on the top plane. And we're gonna create a circle, so which is a faceplate, and the diameter is 5 inches, so the radius will be 2.5. Alright, and first we will sketch. I got this sketch, is good. Sketch, and then we extrude 2.5 inches thickness. And now we have this raw material of the clock plate. We go to top view, and we're gonna go ahead and find the three holes, 3 little holes, and I'm gonna go sketch and use some lines to help us. So it asks us which plane do you want to draw. So we're gonna draw this sketch on this plane, and this line will help us to find the top hole, which is 2.31 inches from the center. Let's specify this 2.31 inches. Alright, then the next one is this is 2 inches, and same here, 2 inches. You can tell actually the 3 holes should be at the same location with the clock length we just drawn. And the dimension and the length here is 1.16, and same over here is, oops, let's delete this, 1.16. Alright, now we located the 3 points or 3 locations of the tapped hole. What we're gonna do is we're gonna delete all these lines, but we will keep a point here. So we come to this point, sketch a point. We put a point here, 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 because we don't need the lines anymore. So I'm gonna trim this line, and all the lines here, and only leave the 3 points. So the next one to do is to axis sketch and to add the hole wizard. Click the hole wizard and choose the same type of hole, 632 and straight tap. And now find the locations. The surface will be here, and locations 1, 2, 3. Alright, click OK. You can see the 3 tapped holes. Alright, now let's go ahead and draw the numbers. Go to sketch, and I'm gonna sketch on this plane. And first we want to do is to choose the center line here. It's not a solid line, but a center line. We're gonna start with from the point, center point, and when determine where do you want to put the numbers. Here we're gonna use 1.5 length, and I'm gonna create another center line, which is it doesn't really matter actually, maybe 1, let's choose 1, and we want to the center of this line, line. That's because when we add a number, we want this number to be centered here. So I'm going to choose this point and click Control and click on this line. You can see there's a make midpoint. So we're gonna click make midpoint. You can see actually it's attached. All right, we can keep drawing. Move up and down. It's always and also to drag it long and short. It's always we're gonna keep it as 1.5 and here. Alright, maybe this is too long, so let's do it as point maybe 6. Alright, it looks good. Then what's next is we will create 12 these center lines because we need 12 locations in this circle for our numbers. And how to do that? We're gonna first choose the 2 center lines we just drawn and come to this sketch pattern and click here. You can see the circular sketch pattern and we want to specify as 12 patterns and click OK. Now we created 12 lines over here. So next we need to add numbers and first add this number. We choose this one, we choose this line and we're gonna add 12 and center this. Now we need to specify the font size. We want it to be points and maybe around 28. Now 12 is here. Click OK. Now we add our first number. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add more numbers. Alright, now we added all our numbers. It took a while, but now we have our numbers. So next we need to just cut a little bit of depth for these numbers. And how we're going to do this, we're going to go to Features and choose Extruded Cut. And we can go to depth of let's do 0.05 for the depth. And now we click OK. We should get these steps of cut. Alright, so this now we have our clock plate. Remember to save your file.